Hello, this is Kim. Welcome to my kitchen. This is my friend Polly, and she's gonna help me make banh mi and the Vietnamese spring roll.
Yes, very fun. So this one first?
Yes, we're gonna make banh mi first.
Is this the right side?
Yeah.
See how much I can remember after watching you.
You're doing so far so good.
Too much. Then I gotta take this. So this is the pate.
Yes.
You can substitute that with, if you don't want it, what else could you substitute it with?
I would say butter or tuna. Something that is savory. So if you want to make your own, there is a vegan pate, right? Isn't there a vegan pate? No, don't get me because she's a star.
But you're like half in it.
Oh, okay, well.
It's okay.
And then Francine, can you pass the sriracha?
Yes. Thank you. Of course.
You're doing really good. That's okay. It's going
tiny
to the
bit.
same place. We're making this for our neighbor. Get the wrap ready. So we already have a sandwich for her already. You got two.
Okay, so then it was.
Go ahead and
protein.
protein.
This first. Do we
I think last time I made her pork, so this is chicken right here, so use the chicken. On top of here, since you're doing that, those are spring roll. Normally I put this in here for Matthew because he likes it crunchy.
What is this one?
This is a spring roll that I cut it out. It's egg roll.
Egg rolls.
It's egg roll that I cut it out so I can roll it.
Should we do this and egg roll together?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay.
Yeah, you're the chef, so
Might as well.
yeah. So I would put some chicken in there.
Like, you never know.
Pile it up. It's like working at Subway, huh? Have you ever worked at Subway?
No. I've worked at Nordstrom before.
Me neither, but I stood in line and watched.
And then
top in the veggies, so go ahead and do cucumber first, and then the pickled radish. Very healthy. You're doubling the cucumber. That's great.
This one?
Yes. Perfect. And then jalapeno. And if our guests can't eat jalapeno, these are in big slices, so she could just
Take
open
it
it up
out
and
if she
take it
wants
out.
to.
Yep. And then go ahead and fold it, help it together, and then put in cilantro. Is the mint that goes with the banh mi.
This one?
Yes. Cilantro. Yeah, so just use your finger and just kind of.
Should I use this knife?
Yes. There you go. Oh my God, you're an expert! Yay! And then soy sauce.
Okay.
You can put more, and then soy sauce. Just drizzle it. Perfect. Oh my God! Thank you, Polly. There you go. Vietnamese sandwich. Go ahead and put it in there, and I'll wrap it. I don't have the paper. So we're gonna wrap. We'll do it this way, so she can just stick it in the oven. And now next is go ahead and make a spring roll.
Let's
Lightly.
see if I can do this.
Yes.
I've watched
Rotate
you
it.
do this like 10 times now.
That's okay. And then the middle part is fine that it's not, but you're gonna use your hand to.
Like this?
Yes. Perfect. There you go. You got it. And then I would top it with a lettuce first. Yep. You got it. I don't need to. She doesn't need me.
I've just been
She
watching
can
you.
take-
I'm an observer, I would say.
She can take over.
Mint?
Mint. And then with this one, I would use like a piece of egg roll just to
Change it up?
add, and then chicken or pork, whatever you
I
want.
like that.
Or out of shrimp. There might be one left, so you want to slice. Oh my God, she knows how to slice.
I've literally just been observing this.
But you were talking too.
Okay.
Okay. Do you want to put noodles or?
Let's
we're
do a
good?
noodle.
And then we have a couple of the carrots and the daikon here. And then did we put in mint already?
Yeah. These?
Yeah, I think you already have that in there, but that's fine. Okay, now you're ready to roll.
This one?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead and leave that out. You're gonna put that last. So once you fold in the edges, then you're gonna put in. That's fine. Go ahead and roll the edges in.
This kind of gets a little sticky.
I know. I'm gonna get a wrapper here so we can just transfer it to the wrapper. Preserve that freshness. And now you can put in the chives right there. Yay! So it'll show up. Yay! A healthier version for our neighbors. So there we go. Thank you so much for participating in the show. So, yay!